This is code.org. I'm currently working on their CS Discoveries course, and I am on I'm on Unit 3 Animation and Games, Lesson 17 Complex Sprite Movement, Part 13. So we're working on the game that we've been doing in the last couple puzzles. If you don't have this game, you need to go back and go through all these. It is worth it. Watch my awesome game. Hurrah! Hurrah! Go! The sound effects, yes, I'm definitely including sound effects with what I'm doing. All right, reset. Make it your own. You now have the basic mechanics of your game in place. Oh, I'm so excited for this. So it's time to make the game your own. What do you want to happen? Should the character get points every time it collects a coin? Can you add a scoreboard like you learned in the last lesson? Yes, I can. Do you want to make another coin? What about a bad coin that takes away points? Do this. Make at least one improvement to the game that makes it your own. Be prepared to share your changes and improvements with your classmates. Awesome. I'm going to do them one better. I want more than one improvement. So let's see what we got. Animation. First, let's do the scoreboard like they ask, right? So right off the bat, I'm going to set up a scoreboard. Scoreboard. So scoreboard was on, I don't know, like 16:10 we did it, or 16:9. So I remember some of it. What we're going to need to add is, well, we're going to need to add some text, right? Because, well, we're writing a score in text. I'm going to drop that guy right here, okay? Now, I want to pick the fill color for my text. So way up at the top, I'm going to be boring and do, you know what? Let's see if I can see yellow, because it's a coin. Okay, so that will be the fill color, and then text size is here. I remember last time I did 20, and I thought that was a reasonable size for it. And then text's gonna go here. Coins, obviously. Okay, and let's set this up for the location, which I want it in the top upper left. And then I want to add a width and a height property since my text is 20. Guess what I'm adding? 20. Okay, and now for the actual number of the score. So for the number of the score, I'm going to use another text, okay? And now I'm going to set this to a variable, which I have yet to create, which is going to be score. Okay, I do need to create this variable. So right now I'll do that before I forget. I'm going to set the variable before I ask it to put it. And then, oh, I'm going to set, no, we already have something called coin, so I'm going to leave this called score. Okay, score, it's going to first equal 0 before we collect anything. Okay, and then I want this next to the where it says coins. So this will be, if I remember last time, it was about 75. And then our text size is going to be 20 still, because that's what's above it. So 20, 20, 20, and 20. Let's see if I'm on the right track. Why isn't it drawing it? Score 20. Let's see here. Score can be drawn once. Top right. I'm missing something. This is the tricky part of code. It's not this color. Okay, let's see here. If I look at this, do I need... I wonder, because I have is... Oh! Each time the draw loop runs, it obviously blanks the screen, right, with blue. And it's doing that because it wants to show movement without smearing the character. So I'm going to need all of this, obviously, inside of here. Okay? I can leave this outside because the size and the color isn't going to be changing. And then we are going to be adding to the score, but we'll do that in a sec. Let's test. There we are. There's our score. So now how do we add to that? I'm going to go ahead and put if character is touching coin, what do we want to happen? Well, we want to use this. We're going to use addition. Zoop. And then I'm going to say score is going to be equal to our variable score, right? So whatever it equaled last time, plus 1. Let's test this. Boom. And see it go up? Perfect. I gotta change the speed. It's gonna drive me nuts. Let's do 1.5. Oh, I'm so glad we get to change stuff now. Reset and run. Boom. Got a coin. Ooh, got another coin. Got 3. Alright, cool. Now, I want to do a few things. I want to make the ground, and if you hit the ground, bye-bye. So, ground. Oh, there's so much I want to do. I'm also going to make lives, and then I'm going to make a bomb, too. If you hit the bomb, it's bad stuff. All right, drawing. Fill, nope. Oh, well, yeah, fill. Okay, so I'm going to draw ground. We'll draw this right after we draw the sky, and then the ground color. I'm going to do a rectangle. Ground color is not going to be that. It's going to be green. I want to start it, and remember a rectangle starts drawing in the top left, so like 0, 300 probably. No, you know what? 0, 350. So just a little bit of ground. Let's see if that works. 0, 350. Okay, and then X is, or its width is first, so I want it to be 400, so it stretches all the way across, and then its Y I want to be, well, 50. Oh, and I don't want an outline around it, so no stroke. Let's see what this does. We have ground. Perfect. Okay. Now, how can I detect Sprite? I know what. All right, I'm going to use a control and if statement right here. Okay. Oh, I need to do a lot of things. Oh, I'm so excited about this. So I'm going to use a control if my sprite I need less than. No, wait. So if the Y location is greater than 350, if sprite's Y, and my sprite was called character, is greater than 350, I'm going to do something, but I haven't made that yet. So now I need to go ahead and what we're going to do is use this text thing again and create lives. World. Oh, nope, text. Oh, I'm having too much fun with this. Text string lives. I'm going to do 5 and 5 is fine. Oh, no. Location. So probably like Y being 5 is fine. Let's do X at 300 and see. Okay. And then 20 and 20 is also going to be needed because that's the size. Okay. I need to make another variable. I'm having way too much fun. And then we can share these afterwards, which is going to be awesome. I'm going to start with 3 lives. Why is this grumpy? Oh, well, yeah, we haven't used it yet. So it's not called. It's saying, hey, you haven't used that. All right. So then I need drawing again, text again. And now this, remember a variable, you do not need quotes around. Okay. And then if that is 350, if that's 300, I'm going to go ahead and say 370 here. I'm going to put that at 5 again, and then the size is going to be the same. Oops, 20 and 20. This is going to be some trial and error. Let's see. Oh, I need to turn off the grid. Oh, okay. That looks... Oh, wait a minute. Everything's green now. Why? Fill green. Oh, because of the rectangle. Oh, so we need fill yellow here. And actually then, I'm going to make my lives fill red. Let's see. Yeah. Coin. Boom. All right. So now, if less than 350, we need math. Nope, we need variable. Minus. Because we need lives to equal lives minus 1. Let's test that out. Oh, that's not. So it goes down way too much. But if we reset it, then immediately lives equals lives 1 less. What if we do equals? Because it would only equal 360 for a split, 350 for a split second. if our y for our character is equal to 350, take away 1. Let's show that. Okay, so that doesn't work at all. We're going to go back to less than sprite y. What we need to do then is the second that this is triggered, we're going to respawn our sprite to the center. Right? So where do we start our sprite? At 200, 200. So we're going to say sprite x equals sprite y equals, we need to see character. Why am I not moving? Oh, not 50. Definitely not. 350. Perfect. And you see it immediately respawns, which is what we want. Now we need to make sure our coin doesn't go that low. So we would want y to be above 350, but I'm even going to say above 330. So it's not too close to the ground. Ooh, it's hidden. Oh my goodness. And I lost my character. There I go. Okay. Alright. That is kind of good for what I was hoping. We could add a bomb and stuff. We can do like a billion different things. Is there a way to freeze the game? Where do we set gravity? So obviously you could do a bunch. I was thinking about making it pause. Maybe you can figure out how to do that when it resets. I could make it say you win. I could make it say game over. I was also going to put more coins or a bomb. There is a billion different things you can do. And that's what's super cool about this part of the lesson. So when you hit finish, you should be able, oops, see, and now my coin's spawning down there again. Why is that? Is it first spawn? Yep, at first spawn it could. So now I changed that. Once you're happy with your level, you should definitely share it below, right? Because you can just copy and paste this and share your game with others. And please do that. I'm excited to see what everyone's games look like. So have fun with it and share your game below. Here's the code for mine though, all of this stuff that I added. I'm going to zoom out because there is a lot. Let's see if I can get it all. Not quite, but... Okay, so here's my variables for lives and score. Here's where I draw them up. And if I scroll down some, here is where I detected is touching, and I detected for ground. Right, so I changed is touching, I added the score and ground. Awesome. Well, I'm going to go on to level 18. You should share the levels. Great.